The Kenya Investment Authority officially launched the global countdown to the 2026 Africa International Expo, scheduled for June at KICC, with Africa averaging fewer than 2 tractors per 1,000 hectares compared to 241 in developed regions. The expo seeks to leverage China-Africa cooperation to swap manual labor for industrial machinery.
Again, in 2024, the trade between Kenya and China stood at $4.63 billion US, with significant trade in machinery, what we are talking about today, electronics and accessories, tea, cut flowers, pharmaceuticals, and vegetables. This did not just happen. It is as a result of critical engagement between Kenya and China. For example, one, the Belt and Road Initiative, which is a collaboration on infrastructure and industrial development, is part of the framework under which we will be carrying out the expo in June. We also have the Forum on China-Africa Cooperation and a framework agreement on economic partnership for shared development. So I'm saying this to show you that the government is ready to support private sector to do business in Kenya.
The International Monetary Fund has said that a resilient global economy is being